Is Adobe Dreamweaver a relic of the past, or does it still have a place in the modern web development world? Let's find out. Dreamweaver aims to be an all-in-one solution. We'll start by assessing its core features. It boasts a WYSIWYG interface where you can visually design your website. This is great for beginners as you can design your website as it's displayed without knowing any code. It includes code hinting and auto-completion, which can speed up the coding process. Great for avoiding errors. This feature predicts what can come, allowing you to finish quicker and create working code easier. Let's address the elephant in the room, the cost. You'll need an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription to use Dreamweaver, which can be a significant expense, especially when there are free code editors out there. The learning curve can be steep, especially for beginners who are unfamiliar with web development concepts. Mastering all of Dreamweaver's features takes time and effort, and if you're new to web dev, you may not want to spend the extra time learning features you don't need. Consider the alternatives: VS Code, Sublime Text, and other free code editors, combined with modern frameworks, offer more flexibility and often better performance. They have a much wider variety of plugins also. Ultimately, Dreamweaver might be worth it if you value its visual design capabilities and are already invested in the Adobe ecosystem. But for many, free code editors and modern frameworks provide a more powerful and cost-effective solution now. It's up to you to decide.